I got into this program because all my life I've really been interested in computers. So when I heard that CV Tech was offering a computer programming class and for free for my high school, I jumped at the opportunity.
Learn all the basics when it comes to computer programming and have a basic understanding of how getting a job would work and how once I have a job, what responsibilities I would take on and basically how I can use my skills that I learn here in the workforce.
I plan on either majoring in cybersecurity or IT, and this class really helps with that.
You have to do it in a timely manner, but you work at your own pace all of the time. It's very friendly, everyone knows everybody, everyone's willing to help you out. If you're debating on taking it or not, just do it. That's what I thought about last year of hey, I'll try it out, see if I like it or not. If I don't, I won't do it next year, but I really like it.
If you're even mildly interested in computers or programming, I would say check it out.
I love this program. If you want to be successful in your life, if you want to have business connections, or if you just like software development in general, this would be the class for you.
Just make sure to take that leap whenever you have the opportunity, because you might not have it the next time you try.